Imagine a simple spray that keeps your hair growing, shiny and super healthy, made right in your kitchen. Today I will show you the secret recipe that has completely changed my hair care routine. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Joyce Queen and I'm so glad to have you here today. Here are the simple ingredients you will need: dry hibiscus flowers, dry rosemary leaves, clean water, a pan or a pot for boiling, a strainer, and a spray bottle for storage. Pour some water into your pan or pot and allow it to boil. Once it's hot, add some hibiscus flower. Then add some rosemary. Allow both ingredients to simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps all the goodness infuse into the water. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. Once it's cool, strain it using a sieve. At this point, I added my own DIY aloe vera oil. It makes the spray even more nourishing for the hair. But don't worry if you don't have aloe vera oil. You can use any oil of your choice, like olive oil, coconut oil, or even castor oil. The goal is to seal in that moisture and boost hair growth. Then pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle. And just like that, your DIY hibiscus and rosemary hairspray is ready. Now let me explain why this spray is so powerful. Hibiscus is packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen and makes hair stronger. It conditions hair naturally, leaving it soft, shiny and manageable. And it helps prevent premature graying and reduces breakage. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging faster growth. It strengthens hair follicles, preventing shedding and thinning, and reduces dandruff and calms itchy scalp. When combined, hibiscus and rosemary give you a growth spray that nourishes your scalp, strengthens your strands, and leave your hair glowing with health. Now, let's apply it. Spread the mixture directly onto your scalp and along the length of your hair, and gently massage with your fingertips for about 2 to 3 minutes. This boosts circulation and helps the nutrients penetrate deeply. This way works perfectly on natural hair, relaxed hair, locks, braid, and even under wigs. It keeps your hair hydrated and your scalp healthy. One of the best things about this spray is that it's lightweight. You can use it daily without worrying about build-up. Storage advice: since this spray is natural, water-based, and has no preservative, proper storage is important. At room temperature, it lasts about 2 to 3 days. In the fridge, it will stay fresh up to a week, and in the freezer it lasts even longer. If you don't plan to refrigerate or freeze it, then I recommend making only a small amount like I did, so you can finish it quickly without waste. The more consistent you are, the better the results. Don't expect magic overnight. Give your hair love, patience and regular care, and you will definitely see growth and improvement. Your hair journey is unique to you, so don't compare it with anyone else. With recipes like this, your crown will thrive beautifully. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also drop a comment and let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay consistent and I will see you in my next video.